motherfuckers. As you probably know, I am riding CRF 230M, which is the saddest excuse for an Endura ever. So, hopefully, I might be getting the choice of a few bikes in a few days. If I'm correct, I might have a choice of a GSXR 600, CBR 600, a Ninja 650R, maybe an R6, I do not know. So, all I'm saying is that whatever bike I get, regardless, I'm just going to ride my fucking heart out. Just plain and simple. I don't ride much now because I'm on an embarrassing little bike. People laugh at me. But it gets me around. I don't really give a flying fuck. I just want something a little better. So, you know. Hey. Any support on what bike you get would be great. So, if you feel like helping me, finding good, which bike is better, by what I've seen on YouTube, I think the GSXR is a little better than any of them. But, I mean, I'm looking for reliability, a bike that won't break on me within a week. So, if you would help with that, just finding good. If you don't want to help, fuck you too. That's all. So,